Artificial intelligence is everywhere today. From smartphones and recommendation systems to powerful tools that can write, create images, and solve complex problems. But what exactly is AI, and why is everyone talking about it? Welcome to NextGen AI Academy, the channel where we explore powerful AI tools and explain artificial intelligence in simple and practical ways. In this video, we'll break down what AI really is and why it's becoming such an important part of our daily lives. Artificial intelligence, often called AI, refers to computer systems designed to perform tasks that normally require human intelligence. These tasks include understanding language, recognizing images, learning from data, and making decisions. Today, AI is used in many tools and apps that millions of people use every day. For example, AI powers smart assistants like ChatGPT, helps navigation apps such as Google Maps find the fastest routes, and even recommends videos you might enjoy on platforms like YouTube. So how does artificial intelligence actually work? AI systems learn from large amounts of data. By analyzing patterns and information, these systems can improve their performance over time and make smarter decisions without being directly programmed for every task. Most artificial intelligence systems that exist today belong to a category called narrow AI. These systems are designed to perform specific tasks very well. For example, an AI system might be trained to recognize faces, translate languages, or recommend videos online. Another concept often discussed by scientists is general AI. This would be a much more advanced type of artificial intelligence capable of performing many different tasks and thinking more like a human. However, true general AI does not exist yet and is still an idea researchers are exploring. Another important ability of artificial intelligence is learning from experience. Many AI systems use a method called machine learning, where computers analyze large amounts of data and improve their accuracy over time. This is why AI systems often become smarter and more useful the more data they receive. Artificial intelligence is already transforming many parts of our daily lives, often in ways we don't even notice. From the apps we use to the services we rely on every day, AI works behind the scenes to make technology smarter, faster, and more personalized. For example, tools like ChatGPT can help people write, research, and generate ideas in seconds. Navigation services such as Google Maps use AI to analyze traffic and suggest the fastest routes for drivers. AI also powers recommendation systems on platforms like YouTube and streaming services, helping users discover videos, music, and content they are most likely to enjoy based on their interests and behavior. Artificial intelligence is also transforming the way people work and create. Designers can generate images with AI tools, writers can draft articles faster, and businesses can automate repetitive tasks. As these technologies continue improving, AI is becoming a powerful partner that helps people work more efficiently. As artificial intelligence continues to evolve, its impact on society will only grow. From healthcare and education to business and entertainment, AI has the potential to transform industries and create new opportunities for people around the world. Understanding AI is becoming more important than ever in today's digital world. If you want to stay ahead and learn how to use these powerful technologies, make sure to subscribe to NextGen AI Academy for more simple and practical AI content. If you're just getting started with artificial intelligence, make sure to check out our previous video where we explore 5 powerful AI tools that can boost your productivity and creativity. It's a great way to see how AI can be applied in real-world situations.